record it. So if you missed a couple minutes, you'll be able to see it on YouTube, hopefully later today or tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. This is Lime Cellular Yuval Madar doing a webinar for our new coupon feature. As you know, our coupon is something we're really proud of, something we developed for a long time, and we just finished an improvement for it, and we'll go over that. Just a little bit of background about Lime Cellular. If it's your first on a webinar with us, Lime Cellular is, it will just take 30 seconds. Lime Cellular is a leading vendor of mobile marketing platform. I think we're the only vendor out there that does it with no competition, exclusively through marketers and distributors. We only do true white label, which means nobody sees Lime Cellular anywhere. There's no shared URL or anything like that. It's a full true white label. The coupons is unique to us, and the built-in billing system that we have. We recently, and I'll talk about it later also, we really enhanced the whole reseller feature. We got a lot of clients that's their model, selling it to resellers, local marketers that will take it as a business in the box, and will sell it in the local market. So this is probably the most advanced platform for internet marketers or affiliate marketers. We have a lot of tools, APIs, automation, commission for a joint venture, and everything built in there. We've been around for a long time. We started as a startup with healthy funding, and we're a profitable company, so we're here to stay, and been around since late '06. So let me start with our coupon feature. I'll go to my browser, and as you most of you know, this is our advertiser dashboard. So this is the dashboard that your customers see when they log in, or if you do it as a managed services. So you log in for your clients right here. You can manage all the features from here: statements, report, databases of opt-ins and leads. So everything is simple from one dashboard. So let's go to the mobile coupon and learn about the enhancement that we just finished this morning, and we're still working on the other few things to make it a little better, perform better, faster. And let me start. This is the wizard. It's very similar. It's the same wizard, just an improved one. And I'll go on for the differences because I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with our current couponing. So this is basically an enhancement to the current couponing. So the product name, like let's do like our first coupon. You can now choose the banner color and the text color, which before that it was only black with a gray, but right now you can do whatever you want. You can make it any color you want from the color scheme. You can change the text color to any color you want. So that's a great improvement. It allows you, more flexibility on the way the coupon looks. Same with the product slogan here. Bigger text, more space for you to have. So you just write yourself whatever you want in regards to the coupon, your promotion, your marketing piece with this. So if it's a Subway coupon or any retail coupon, Joe's Pizza coupon, you would just basically put the details here. You can choose the image from a gallery, same gallery that we have. The coupon is a lot bigger when you see it on the phone. So in this case, what we're showing now is really the top banner with be able to editing the text and the colors of the text in the background, more space here to write it down. And then we go to the discount type. We cleaned it up here. So if you see this wizard, if you compare to the old one, it's a lot cleaner, a lot easier to navigate. Now in the discount tab, we added rebate. It's a new discount type that you can do among the others of percentage, a dollar, buy one, get one free, golden price. So we added the rebate. So for instance, if I do $500 rebate, we know that dealerships are using that. The barcode added here, the system creates it on the fly a barcode that is a real barcode that is scannable. The barcode type goes, it depends on the barcoding system of the POS. So if the retail, the merchant is using barcoding system, they will know what barcode type they need in order for their scanners to read it. Terms and condition, same thing. And we'll go to the next step. Here we added, as if you can see here, it's also a lot cleaner here. And we added the viral sharing. That's something that a lot of people ask for. So now you'll be able to share the coupon via SMS, Twitter, or Facebook. And once you share it, as you see the preview here, if you enable it, it will add these buttons next to the coupons, which if you decide not to, then they won't have this feature. This you'll be able to disable, enable it per coupon. Doesn't have to apply to all the coupons in under this account. Now, when you choose the viral sharing, you will have to select the target opt-in list. And this is really for, we say, okay, if you want to, let's say I got this coupon, I want to share with my friends via SMS or Facebook or whatever. Now, if they want to grab this offer, just like we have the Facebook posting, it works on the same mechanism. If they want to get this opt-in, they have to opt in. This is the real value of having this spiral effect. When people are wants to grab this offer, they've been added to the database of the merchant. So that's not just, this is a great way not just to bring more people to the store and have more exposure when you send the coupon to your list, have the ability to have all your friends or your opt-ins friends see that too. And when they see it and they want this offer, they can see it without opting in. But if they want to have it on their phone, they will have to opt in. And this will just, every time you distribute a coupon, will increase your opt-in list. So it's a great way if you give real offers, and if you give real good real good coupons, people will share it with their friends. And if they like it, they will be added to the database. It will be worth it for them to join and opt in to get a good offer. So those offers are important and they have a strong effect if they're actually good offers. Once you get here, I mean, as you see, the wizard is very similar. It's a lot cleaner with the viral option and more editing option here. Once you have the coupons, you'll be able to mouse over your coupon ID and see the actual coupon. Now, the good news is that we added those features to the existing coupons in the system. So if you have already coupons that you created to your customers, they're already in the new format and they're bigger. Now, if you want to enable the viral, you can edit the coupon and go and enable the viral effect. Now, let's go to the second type of coupon, which is the image coupon. Template coupon is, it's something that maybe I didn't explain at the beginning, but template coupon is something you can do really fast, no designing skills. You just upload a quick image. A lot of people use their business logo. It really takes 20 seconds to create a coupon and send it to your database. If you want to have like a more robust looking coupon and you have your own design, you can use our image coupon. Subway, just grab that from Google Images. And now we see here, I can really have like a nice looking coupon for our, Subway branch, Subway local branch. So let's go here and change the banner, something like this, or maybe dark, something similar to the February. Excuse me, I'm not that good with colors, but if you are, I'll try to match somehow the colors of the image itself, right? And I write here Subway $5 foot long. And we created a nice, good looking Subway coupon in really few seconds. If they want to use barcoding, that's great. If I don't think they scan barcodes of Subway, so you can just use promotion and it create the promotion code, because a lot of them have like promotion codes pre-recorded on the register. So you know those buttons that they press for promotion 1, promotion 2. So if this promotion has a number, you just put the promotion. Usually it's like a 4 or 5 digit number that they pre-entered in the POS. As default, we take the address from the advertiser profile, so you don't have to retype it. But you know you can change it here. It's not a problem. You can change it per coupon. 55 Main Street. This will appear here. Terms and condition. For instance, this coupon is only on February. So you have your terms and condition. You created the image. You have a good looking coupon. You click next. Now we'll enable the virus sharing, so if there's nice icons added to it. We'll change the expiration date, February 2014. Right, we're all ready. We can enable SMS redemption, which more and more today, most phones can click on the link and get to our wallet. But if you insist of enable the SMS redemption, it's okay. It means that people would not have to click on the link and to redeem the coupon. They'll be able to also reply with activation code and get back a message that with the activation code basically. So in this case, it's a promotion code. The system will send them a number to text back, and that will be considered as a redemption in the system, and then it will go back to them with the promotion code. In this example, we don't have to use it. If you want more reporting, like the system counts a lot of stuff like views and I'll talk about in a minute why this coupon is much better than anything else out there. Just in general, if you want more reporting and more information, you better off not enabling the SMS redemption. Because SMS redemption will redeem it by SMS. You can't really count views or deleted so you'll get less information or potentially less information when you enable the SMS redemption. So let's call it Subway. Here we created a good looking coupon. We can go click on it and send it to our database. Now this coupon I just created is not active. Why is it not here and active? It's because I created for the future. If you remember, we did it for February 2014. So now it's on pending in the system. Pending means this coupon is still not live, which means people will not be able to redeem it because the start date is next year. So that's why it's under pending. You're able to send it, so people are able to see it, but they won't be able to redeem it. So that's why you have the pending tab here and the active tab and the expired tab. If you want to send a coupon, I highly recommend to send a coupon that is active. So sending it is very simple. Just choose your list you want to send it to. You can send it to multiple lists at the same time. If a person exists on 2 different lists, it will still send it once per submission. So if for instance I have 310 people here, 186 people here, if I exist on both lists and I send it right now, it will send it only once. You can post it right from here to Facebook, Twitter, or you can just send it to one number if you want to test it out. You can schedule it for the future or send it now. And we have the audience feature, which you can, if you have this data in the database, you can actually say, I want to send only to the male, female, or people that opted in between this date, that date, or people that their birthday, zip code, all those parameters You can filter the audience, and the system will also tell you how many people you're about to send it to. Because if you're creating some kind of filter that looks cool, but there's only 2 people that apply to that filter, maybe you want to reconsider and do something else. So this is, a quick demo of how to create a template coupon like this, creating an image coupon. Now, a lot of people say, okay, so what's the big deal or what's the big difference? And they are look similar to what we had before. It's just you have more capabilities. But what's really cool, it's how it looks on the phone, and it looks like this. So I created here, I took, from my phone, I did a snapshot to show you how the old one were looking, how the new wallet were looking. And then the wallet, we call it wallet because we actually host a personal wallet per phone number. And this means that every person have his own personal section in the system. So every time I click on the link, it will take me to the same wallet, show me all the coupons that I have, unless they're expired or I deleted them. Here you can see the old one versus the new one. As you see here, the coupon is twice the size of the old one. It's a lot bigger, easier to read when you see it on the new smartphones. We were able to take it to your full screen, so we don't lose this real estate here on the top. So once you load the profile, it's kind of take you to full screen, show you a nice banner on the top with a profile button instead of this old-fashioned personal info button that we were here. So the whole top looks much better. The coupon is a lot bigger. You have all those social or viral buttons if you enable them. Also, if you see, the redeem button and the remove button were kind of like equally in the system. Now we create a nice big redeem button in the center and the remove button. So we create some kind of delete. It's self-explanatory. I think anyone can understand when you click here, it will just delete the coupon from your wallet. We got some comments why you don't explain what those buttons are doing. It's really not a big deal. Once you press on them, it will tell you what it's going to do. So it's not going to do anything without asking you first. So we believe instead of spending this real estate on explaining what are these buttons and make it ugly, once you press it, you'll understand and that's it. We don't have to re-explain it every single time. You see it once, you press on it once, you'll understand that it will share it on your post social media or SMS to your friends, and it really not doesn't do anything unless you confirm it. And we also believe that if you don't say much, people will just press it and to see what it does. As you see, the whole overall look of the coupons is much better. If I go to the advantages of the new coupon update, it's a lot bigger. You have more editing capabilities on the template and on the image coupon. You have the viral sharing. You have the improved overall look of the wallet, and you have the new rebate discount included as well. Now, I want to explain a little bit, spend a couple minutes explaining why Lime's couponing is so different and so much better than other coupons that you see out there. So the main coupons you see out there, I mean, there's really 3 main type of coupons out there. The first one is SMS, which people just text you a discount, which is it's no different than just a simple text message, right? Come today, show this to the cashier, and you'll get 10% off, right? It's just basically an ad or an alert that tells you there's no reporting, there is no redemption control or anything, right? It's just a discount that is being delivered via text, which is the most common one. It's simple. You don't really need to develop. I know there's other platforms say mobile coupon and you just send a text message. But you include the content is different, but there's no any technological twist or feature different than there's a simple text message. Second very common one is MMS, which MMS is really, it looks great, but basically it's just a picture. So you're sending a picture just like you're sharing a picture with a friend, or you just took a nice snapshot on your phone and you send it to your friend through text message. That's an MMS. Um, when you send an MMS, has the same functionality of SMS. It just look better. You don't have any redemption or any control or any system behind it. You're basically sending a picture and you ask people to show it to the cashier. There's also a lot of problem with MMS because it's very slow. The carriers give it low priority when they have high peaks during the day, so you can send an MMS and get it 2 hours later, 3 hours later. Um, Another problem with MMS is it's a lot more expensive, and you really don't get any advantage but the look itself. The third one that has a little brain behind it is those web coupons you see out there. And web coupons are basically um, coupons are sitting under the same URL. So if my URL is Lime Cellular and my coupon be Lime Cellular / my coupon, right? And anyone that accesses this URL can see this coupon and redeem it. So the problem or the challenge with those kind of coupons, they look great. You can click and redeem them, and then you can redeem them again if that's how you set it up in the HTML. The problem is that it can be easily uh, hacked or bypassed. So you can't really control who you send it to, right? Anyone that accesses this URL can see and redeem this coupon. That's one thing. So you can't say, okay, I send it to my list only, and I want only these people to get it. I don't want anyone else, just my VIP customers. I want to give them a great coupon. You can't do that because anyone that will have access to this URL, you'll be able to share. So you can't really put valuable coupons. The second problem is that if I redeem it, the system, what it does is put a cookie in your phone. So if your phone is not really cookie enabled, which most phones are today, but if you disable cookies on your phone, or you just go and clear your cookies, you can go and redeem it again. So that's another problem. People that actually got it can redeem it multiple times. And again, just to remind people, I'm talking about web coupons right now. Coupons are based on on HTML or URLs, and this is the major problem, right? So anyone can access it, anyone that have the URL, and the second problem that anyone can redeem it more than once. So the third problem is there's no real analytics behind it, because anyone can access it, and it's basically anonymous to the system. The system doesn't know who who are you when you access the system. So you can't really know. You can say how many people redeemed it. You can't really say how many unique visitors redeemed it. And the third problem, you can say who redeemed it. Now that takes us to why Lime couponing is so different than others. Lime is not just a web coupon or mobile coupon. We actually host a personal wallet for each phone number, and it's unique. So when you blast a coupon through our system, each person gets a different link, not the same link, different link. And this link is the same link they will get every time. And once you blast it, what it does, it tells the system, okay, add one coupon to this person's wallet. So if you send it to 300 people, only 300 copies of that coupon will go out, no more. And to the certain numbers that you actually send it to. So when you send it to 300 people, those 300 people will be the only one that will have, and each one of them will have his own link. Now, this own link is basically their wallet. We hash the phone number in the unique ID number, and it's basically what it sends them. So when they access to the same place every time. What this does, it actually allows you real tracking, not just how many, but who. Very important. Gives you a real control, right? Let's go to the bullet points now. Real control. So if I say I want Yuval to get that coupon to his phone number, that's what's going to happen because it's not URL based and it's not cookie based. It's phone number based or personal wallet based. So you have real control, right? Bullet point here. All right. Real control, real tracking, and it also works since we developed it way before the iPhone came out. It works on feature phones and smartphones, which the web coupons are not. They'll work only on smartphones. This will work on feature phone and smartphone. And this is really the challenge because some people tell us, and we know that, there's other coupons out there that are sexier. It's true, but they're not going to work on all phones. So there is a fine balance to do the best you can in graphics, but also still support all the phones out there. So we're trying to play on this balance. When we first started, there were maybe 10% of the phones out there were smartphones. So our images and all the capabilities were much, much, uh, a lot worse than now. So now smartphones are about 75%, even more. So we allow ourselves uh, open the features and the graphical piece, and still um, give you, and still support the whole market, the whole phones out there. If once we'll have 100% smartphones out there, then maybe we'll be able to maybe get it more fancier and fancier. Um, the most important thing is the reporting because the way we work is with personal wallet. We can give you robust reporting, and we can tell you how many people redeemed it, who redeemed it. We can tell you how many people deleted this coupon. So if you send it to me, I clicked on it, we count it as viewed. You delete it, I tell you the person deleted. I redeemed it, so you'll know. So if you send a coupon and see people deleting it, your offer need to be a little better. So those reporting are very, very important. If you know how to play with it and read those reporting, it's very, very important to learn about your audience because this whole system is really about loyalty, right? Learning your crowd, get it better. So it's just blasting messages and charge people. Uh, that's easy. Show them value. This is the challenge. Showing them value, you need the right tools for it. So this is an awesome tool or the right tool to show value to customers. Tell them, listen, we send this blast. A lot of people looked at it, but not many people came. So we did our job with delivering it to the people and they actually looked at it. No one came because you only give 50 cents off. It's the guest money is more. Let's try and do a different offer. Those kind of things are important. It's sometimes make it or break it, losing an account. You can bless something, people don't come. For them, your system sucks, right? But if you can show, look, people actually looked at it, but they didn't redeem it or they deleted it, let's work on something else. That makes you smarter and a better marketer. So this is, the overall, I mean, the improvement, the changes, and why our couponing is really, really so much better. Now, this is just the recent software improvements we did. I just want to go over with because we work hard here and we do a lot of changes, not all the time. People are aware of it. So please check your resource center, resource center for white labels. You have a button there, Resource Center. We have a lot of new APIs. If you work with programmers and APIs is your thing, we added a lot of APIs in the past 2 months. Please revisit it. Reseller, we did a lot of changes for resellers. Now you can set monthly limit for resellers, give you some security and safety, kind of like a safety button when you sell to resellers. If you have hundreds of resellers, you can actually say, okay, they cannot send more than 5,000 or 10,000, 20,000 messages per month. So you can make sure you get paid for what they're sending. You can add and remove credit on the fly manually. You can add rollover credit and remove from people. So if someone calls you, say, I need 1,000 more credit, you don't have to wait for the billing cycle, that the system will do it automatically. You can add or remove based on your business need. You click on edit profile of advertiser or reseller, and you can add or remove rollover credits. We now resellers that are fixed price, which is the most common one anyway, they will see a credit balance. They're actually just like advertisers. They will see credit balance on their dashboard. And we're working on reseller packages. So just like you have advertiser packages, you'll be able to have reseller packages, not just one set of pricing. The response URL API, now we added it to opt-in list, not just to lead list. And some people say, what the hell is that? Sounds like Chinese. But if you are a programmer and you work with our system, this, you know exactly what I'm talking about here. We improved the kiosk keypad. It's a lot more responsive, and you can add background images as well. So, we have a lot of features, and everyone wants us to improve all the features, but one feature at a time, we take it and we make it better. So just to show you, we don't forget any feature here. Um, the autoresponder also will be better soon with more capabilities. And the last thing is the company name. It used to be unique and it was annoying, so you could have only one company name in the system. Now we removed that problem, and you can have the same company name multiple times in the system. Here you can just check we post here at least once or twice a week our software updates. If you want to follow that or follow us here, please go to limeseder.com/blog/version history. So this is this URL here, and you can access it also if you go to the blog tab onto the website, and then there's a button there, version history, if you don't want to type this whole thing. So just go to limeseder.com, click on the blog tab, and then version history. So again, thank you for your time. Hopefully you like what you see here. And if you have any other questions, you can, if you're a customer, email to support@limeseder.com. If you're a prospect, contact us through sales@limeseder.com, or both clients and prospect can call us to this toll-free number. One is for sales, for support. Again, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much, and we'll talk soon with the new updates.